About ready to make something here. Not sure what.
A mess.
A mess. You gotta have a catcher for that thing, or does it stop?
We got you. See, I'll figure it out. Oh, we need lots of things here.
Gotta get some squirt. Are you putting ketchup on it or syrup?
Cairo, man.
Ouch, man. I tell you what, I got one of those little wirets. Somewhere it came off and went into my foot today.
The wire wheel?
The wire wheel. I was barefoot, working the grill out front. And somewhere it got into my foot and went sideways in there. I thought I was gonna die. That's all you get for your first cut?
Yeah, that's okay.
Maybe I should put mittens on.
For?
Catching.
No, I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be that big of a problem there, buddy.
Now you got to put a little shimmy in there.
Stack it up.
Stack it up, huh?
Just got to make sure that you got glue on the back side of this thing. That's where all the pressure is.
Getting awfully tight, isn't it? I thought this was an easy thing.
Taking a full cut.
Huh?
Taking a full cut. See the stuff rolling out the bottom?
No.
Full chip.
Oh, okay, I see them now. Yeah. Guys, that's gold.
Gold?
So it's taking, the one cut's cutting all the way through just like in a sawmill.
Yeah,
one tooth is cut.
Each tooth is higher.
Okay. I'm a learning.
See, it rolls in.
Okay, look at.
Each one of these teeth is higher than the one before it. They all take an even but deeper amount.
Making curly cues. Here.
Making a sticky mess. We're cutting
Do you take?
1/16 of an inch deep per pass. Right?
Yeah.
Back shim it.
How many cuts do you got to take?
This should be finishing.
Oh, really?
I think. Unless we decide we want to go deeper.
I feel like that thing's going to explode on me. That's a lot of push, isn't it?
Yeah, for some reason things aren't sitting very square in here. I don't know why.
Oh, I can see it going off. The way it's tilting, you mean?
Yeah. I don't know why
That's
one
why.
of the press plates is probably a little bent.
What, normally you just zip it straight through?
Sometimes. Depends on the material. Cast iron goes right through. You're cutting 2 inches thick of steel there.
Yeah, that's true. There's your little curly cues.
Put the lid back on the ketchup bottle, please. Stick the stuff.
Where's this go?
What we think we got. Two shims and the brooch. There's your keyway. Now, if you want to go another 16th, we can.
That don't look very deep.
Well, we have to go get another shim. Hold on, I'll get another shim.
Bring a 6-pack. Can't get it out. Guess we could measure that one and see how deep it is. About time to call it quits for tonight, guys. This thing here is in, I don't know, you can't take a chance of having it too not deep enough. How bad does it weaken it if you
We ain't gonna weaken anything here. I can hardly think.
should we measure the one on the regular collar first?
Well, we're not overdoing it here.
Pardon me?
I'd like to have extra deep.
Right.
It's gotta, remember, you're gonna press fit this. It's gotta go the first time.
Cameraman in the way a lot.
At least.
Didn't you think that looked a little shallow?
Yeah. I just didn't bring all the shims up when I came the first time.
Don't want to go in. There it goes.
Yeah, I don't know why it's going to push off center so bad.
Yeah, I see it going off center.
It goes that way.
Still going, moving it, isn't it?
There's a lot of pressure on that thing. I don't think we're hitting the press block.
I'm gonna have to go watch A-Bomb do this.
Oh, he'd shove it through 100 miles an hour. I really didn't want to destroy my brooch.
Just remember, guys, this is the first time we've ever done this. Today. Think that's deep enough? Got any more chims?
Just the short ones. But they're probably long enough.
What do you think?
No, it's
There's
supposed
where
to
we're
be
at, guys.
half of the width of the.
All right, we're gonna call this one quits. Because we got to do some measuring and you're watching paint dry. Hit the bell and we'll come back for the next one. Bye-bye.